we are looking at how to pronounce these two words, one against the other. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more unclear words in English as well. Let me spoil it for you. Those two are what are called homophones, meaning they sound exactly the same. They are to be pronounced exactly the same. Same word as far as pronunciation goes. The meaning is different, of course. How do you say it? Here, here, exactly the same. Here for the word on the left, here for the word on the right, exactly the same word. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.